Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear fellow surgeon and my dear candidate for MRCS. The future of studying have completely changed. Not like when I studied for FRCS around 30 years ago. Things now are much easier and definitely has to be online. I think the online teaching is taking a lot of momentum. And that is why I have created a YouTube channel 12 years ago called Vascular Online Training, because I know that online training and online teaching will be dominating because it's available 24/7. You can ask a question at any time. And with the recent era of artificial intelligence, you can ask a book, ask a chapter, any question you want, and then you get the answer. You can get also a summary and so many things that you can do with artificial intelligence. That is why I have created membership of Vascular Online Training, not the subscriber, but to be a member. And being a member will give you a lot of benefit. There are multiple levels of membership, 6 levels to be exact, of membership. Each one has its own advantage and privileges. And let me count the advantage for surgeon. Number one, you need a digital library. And I have around 50 gigabytes of digital library for surgeon, vascular surgeon, MRCS, and general surgeon, and also artificial intelligence book. And this is the VOT digital library that you will have access to see it and download any books from it. Secondly, I will start doing courses to boost your skills, because nowadays there is so many good jobs all over the world. And the beauty, if you are a doctor graduated from one country, you can go to another country, do the test or the exam to make you eligible to work, and then you start working as a doctor. And once you are good, you can work in the state after passing USMLE and passing matching, and you can work in United Kingdom if you pass MRCS or BLAB exam and get GMC registration. You can work in Australia, in New Zealand. All of them are offering very good job, because population are getting older, hospital are being built more, and government are being keen on health. And this all will make you to get a good job is much easier. But definitely you need to be skillful enough. You need to have skills and certification. You need to pass certain exam. And that is why here I will help you. So I will start now for the Vascular Online Training membership that you can very much welcome to join. Plus the digital library, I will offer courses. Courses about ATLS course. You can have artificial intelligence summary of that course, all the 13 chapters of it. You can have access to CRISP course, all the 16 chapter of CRISP course. Again, this is a course. If you are a member, you will go to playlist, and the playlist, one for ATLS course, one for CRISP course, and there will be another one for artificial intelligence for doctor. And it will be more and more courses. These are focused online courses. The beauty of online courses is you will have a book to read from it. You will have a lecture to explain it. You will see videos of hand-on. You will see videos of an operation. You will see recent guideline. You will be tested by question and answer. You will have a discussion with VASI, which is an artificial intelligence that I have built specifically for the Vascular Online Training channel. You can have an OSCE station discussion with VASI, and it will give you your grade and your assessment and so much more that you can have. We are going to give you duplex scan courses on the VOT membership. We're going to give a dedicated surgical online courses. For example, how to do aortic anastomosis, upper aortic anastomosis, lower aortic anastomosis, different type of skills, how to use exolaser and endolaser, all of them with all the material. Not only this, but you get a CME certificate. Again, with level 5 and 6 membership, you will be eligible to continuous medical education hours CME signed by Vascular Online Training, and you will also have CPD, continuous professional development points certificate direct to your email. If you have any question, you can put according to the lecture you will have. There will be a lot of lectures only for members, and there will be too many courses until the end of the year to boost your skills, to help you. We also offer career advice, and sometimes we get jobs that we offer you to apply for and get you some recommendation as well. There is so many exciting things in learning medicine and learning surgery. My name is Dr. Mohamed Omar Elfarok. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon, and I hope you all join me with Vascular Online membership to get the maximum benefit of educational material and to help you to perform the best in the world of surgeon, very eager to join the surgeons club to get the best certificate, the best recommendation, to get the best jobs, and to be able to benefit our patient. I wish you all the best, and you can check the link that I will put here for joining Vascular Online Training membership. And I wish you all the best.